Hi, it's what's the date? It's 31st of March today, and I am in my vacation. It means, first of all, do you like the background? That's the what I say. Let's talk casual, not like a formal way. My father went somewhere today, so I decided. Not my father told me, but I decided to let some time in my general shop, my father's general shop. So I am here doing my father's job today, and I went to library today too, and I studied 3 hours. I studied 3 hours making the questions of lead code, doing my second lead code question, which I which uh, which will be helpful for me in my interview purposes during my fourth year. Now I am in second year and I am starting my lead code problems, and there I solved today some Dutch flag problem. That's the very famous problem that were asked randomly on interviews. And now I am here. I am in my I am in my vacation. As you know, I completed my third semester and I got 10 days break. So I decided to come here and enjoy my holiday, and there I am enjoying. I do not say that I am not enjoying. It's the part of the process of your life, that how you see your struggles. And now I let let me show you something. What I did is, in my third semester there is my subject known as economics for engineers, and in economics there is a topic called accounts. So I just made my father's trading account for today. Like what I sell, or what I give to anyone, I debited or what I credited, how much opening cash that I started with, and yeah, that's all. From tomorrow, that is 1st of April, let's talk about what? Let's talk about the upcoming month strategies. And I have. I am not a guy who just. I don't want to be a guy that just only told himself that I will do that, I will do that, and I will do that. Not. Just make a list that what I have to do, and start doing it. Not just thinking about it that I will do it someday. Not. I have to do it and I will do it. That's the process. Not like that ki, I will do that someday. I will I will I will make uh, plan today. I will start doing it from tomorrow. Not. But I am free now. I almost sell about 2,000 rupees. So yeah, let's talk about what I have to do in my fourth semester, where I lag, where I gain advantage, what is my game plan, what I have to do to increase my, where I am lagging, what I see that some there is somewhat there is some disadvantage, there is some lack in me, so that I can fix it. I will fix it before my graduation. And yeah, let's talk. What I see is, first thing that I see is, where I lag most in my fourth semester is that I do not give credit to myself. My DSA gone well, but I do not give credit to myself. Just like an example, my CO gone average, but I take thinking about it every time. No, you have to give credit to you for the things that you have done good also. And and what and what and the second disadvantage, or the second lagging, what I see in myself is that someone is coming. I will talk to you after some time. where I was, what is where I am lagging behind. Yeah. The first reason that I told that where I am lagging behind is that I do not give credit to myself, and the second reason where I lag is that I think too much. What I see is I think too much in myself. I think too much, and yeah. Let's talk about what I have to do in my fourth semester, along with my DSA preparation, web development. I started doing C++ in DSA. That is necessary for my job preparation. So I will do it along with my fourth semester, and then my fourth semester there is a subject is known as AI, and second is differential math, or what I say is graph mathematics and discrete mathematics. And biology, EVS, and one more thing is that optimization technique, and our 3 labs too. So, and there is only 3 months to complete all that. So I have not too much time that I have to think. And what I saw in my what I saw in my that I spend too much time in making notes. That is not necessary. You are not a child right now. You have to think of how to score marks, not to make a good notes along with everything. No, that is not fucking necessary. What is necessary most is that make questions. So from now onwards, from this semester to the 8th semester or 2, I have to give focus on questions. That means if I start doing any chapter, then I have to do it. I have to do the organizer questions too. Organizers is not for the day before exam. It's from the first day of your preparation. From now onwards, I will start studying from organizer, making questions from organizer, and that's it. I will score good. And yeah, I will not talk too much about that. What I have to do in my theory part, what I have to do in this, what I have to do in those. No, just start. Just see nothing. Just take blinders. So yeah, we'll meet you tomorrow. I will go to library from today is 31st. That means I have 4 days: 1st of April, 2nd of April, 3rd of April, and 4th of April. And 5th of April there is a train for me to go to Kolkata. So I will go to Kolkata on 5th. That means I have 4 days, and I am in not in what? I am in array chapter, and when I go home now, after what? After these things, then I will complete my array part 3. That is what? Array part 3, that is vector part, making questions today. 1 hour of vector is left, so I will complete it today. Make notes of it today, and from tomorrow onwards I have 4 days. That means I will complete 4 lectures and assignments. That's what my plan is. Nothing more, nothing less. I have to complete 4 lectures and make the assignments. That's all. We'll meet you tomorrow after completing tomorrow's schedule of going to library, completing 1 lecture, and making 5 to 7 assignments of the previous 14th lectures. That's all. Peace out.